Look at the thumbnail. I just came out of Dry Bar. Nah, not that. Jeez. We have to put all of them back. Can you put it back? Let's talk about the online grocery order that I did. The plan today, we gotta get our nails done. All right, so these are so atrocious. Look how atrocious these are. So we ended up here. Snowdrops have like a downturned bell shape. Just waiting in line. Because I forgot you guys were here. I ate that. It's gone. All right. And the thing is, like, I really love the color. I just think I'm gonna start over with my nails. My nails need a break. I've been wearing acrylics for probably about 9 months. I miss my regular nails. Unless a nail tech can persuade me to get a really cute like set. Before I show you guys my nails, I have to change my shirt because I don't like all that debris and stuff that gets in the air that flies around at the nail shop. So I'm gonna look a lot different next time you guys see me. Actually, I'm deciding to just take a shower, so let's just get in here. This is for people with very small heads. This isn't for people with hair. This is for babies. I have to buy a real one. There literally isn't enough space in this shower cap for all the hair I have. So I have to go to Sally Beauty to buy a shower cap. I also need something for my nails. If I don't get it, like, my nails could just go downhill really fast. So the crazy part about right now is I feel like I have to take all my kids with me because my husband needs a break. I'm gonna take some peas. How about some peas, Mama? Say peas. No. No, what do you mean no? So I have to feed my kids first. They love this. I was supposed to charge your battery. I didn't, but I do have a charger in the car, so I need to do that. I just have this charger that I'm gonna use, so I gotta take the battery out. All I came for, I promise. No, yeah. Nah, not that. Jeez. We have to put all of them back. Can you put it back? Put it back. The white one's at the bottom and the pink one's at the top. Good job, good job. Oh my god. Pink one's at the top and the white one at the bottom. Can you do that? Good job. Very good. How about this one? Where does the pink one go? On the top? Very good. Okay, guys. I'm looking for just, I came for one thing. White one. What you think? We didn't come for a whole lot. I have to put stuff back already. Good job. Go. Okay, we don't need it. Okay, let's push them up. Okay. Then we ended up at Food for Less. I just put her whole basket inside. Not having to completely come back to the car and dress you guys just to go get, I had no idea it would be like this. Just to get our groceries from the car, I had to come back and put her in the front because our groceries wouldn't fit with her stroller there. All this in the bags with no handles. You guys, no handles? Do you think I broke a nail or what? No handles. 0. Hi, Mama. Got my blanket because I need extra padding in the seat. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. So for today, we finished my hair. Okay, so I didn't even show you guys my nails. I didn't even officially show you guys my nails. And I just am procrastinating because I'm trying to find the perfect like angle to do it. And The perfect angle is just not coming up for me, but I need to move on because my nails are breaking. You guys, I got natural nails. I've been waiting for the perfect shot for my nails and it's just not coming up for me. I honestly just needed a break from getting my nails professionally done. These are my natural nails. They did buff everything off. I had acrylic and I was doing gel nail polish. I'm impressed with the length of my nails. I think it has a lot to do with like the Mary Ruth vitamins that I've been taking. But the thing is, I'm not a huge fan of like the natural length long nail. I'm not a huge fan of this. Yeah, it looks sophisticated on a lot of different people. For me, I just prefer a shorter natural nail. I just don't like it long. So I'm definitely gonna be editing these soon. They look nice for now, but I'm definitely gonna be doing like something, like we're painting them, we're pressing them, we're doing something. They look okay, but they're not doing that good. They're breaking and everything. I have been using the Nail Envy. It's definitely been like doing something for me. My ring finger is, it's tragic what's happening to my ring finger. I'm okay with it. I do feel good that I got the fake nails off. It feels really good. I just came out of Dry Bar. Wow, she did such a good job. And I'm doing this in bits because I have a lot of kids and it just takes a long time to do like a full like reset of my beauty routine. But yeah, she did such a good job. I think I had a new stylist do my hair today and she's never done my hair before, so I just had her straighten it. I didn't have her put curls or anything because she was not expecting to be working on me for that long, and I knew curls would take a lot longer. I need some lotion because my hands are so dry. I wash them so much when I'm at home. Mom guilt is starting to set in. I have been away from home for almost going on 3 hours and I feel like I need to go home and do something. I do want to make one more stop. I want to go to Walmart because I know they have a makeup brand called Hard Candy, and I want to see if they have some items that that I can't find anywhere else. This was actually, in my opinion, this size lotion, it was actually expensive. It was like $45 or something from Nordstrom Rack. I wasn't expecting that price, but I know I like this product. This actually is the product that I was so excited to go back to whenever I started at Equinox again, because whenever I first signed up with Equinox years and years ago, they had Kiehl's products in the shower. And that was my first experience with Kiehl's. I signed up with Equinox like almost a year ago now. They have some other brand in there and I just do not love it. It's $150. I shouldn't feel that bad going to Walmart. Plus, I always look for stuff for my family. Like I can get food and snacks there. I can get clothing for my kids. My kids are toddlers. They're all very small. Blaze needs more shirts. Cash needs jeans. He has run holes at the knee in jeans that are not supposed to have holes at the knee. I bought Cash one pair of distress denim jeans, like, and they have like slits at the knee. It's his only pair. Why are they driving so close to me like that? That was, people, I'm a mom. You can't drive crazy around me without me saying something now anymore. That was uncalled for. I hate when people have nice cars and then they start driving terribly. I'm like, you just don't think you have to think anymore? What the heck? Anyway, Cash asked me, Mom, are these supposed to have holes right here? They have holes. And he would like play with it and make it bigger. I'm like, that's the style, son. Leave it. Leave it like that. Don't play with it. He picked it, played with it. Those holes are huge now. It's like his kneecaps are there. Of course, I don't let him wear those anymore. But anyway, he has other jeans that I bought and they're, you know, this close, this thin at the knee too. So I need to go get him more jeans. Mama? I recently went to Walmart and I got a lot of stuff for the kids for summer, because before you know it, if you have 3 kids, the clothes for summer sell out pretty fast if you don't get there early. In my last video, I organized and decluttered this entire area right here. Kind of need to reorganize some things here, but we can do that in another video. I'm just glad that I can actually use this space for all the functions I want to use it for.
and it feels so much better sitting here. I'm actually like filming with you guys here, which I have really never done. I need to do the online grocery shop. My husband is with all 3 of our very small children. I told him I need some time to go online and grocery shop because we need to eat. So I'm sat here at my computer. I wear contacts and stuff, and I just think the blue light glasses are going to help my eyes in general. Obviously my eyes just need help, so we're going to wear these while we shop online for groceries. If you've been here a while, you know I love healthy snacks. I shop at GNC for healthy snacks all the time. I also get groceries delivered from our local grocery store. Let's talk about the online grocery order that I did. My kids love fruit snacks, so I got these fruit snacks for them to try. We all love tortilla chips, especially my daughter. She's learning how to eat foods, and something crunchy is a little fun for her, so I did get healthier tortilla chips. I have a young family, we're growing, and I just decided to try to make healthier picks. We do online grocery shopping and get it delivered to us from our local grocery store. I decided to try this out. I also got these. Everyone in my family is going to try these out. There's 5 of us. There's 5 of these. We might try it out together. I'm excited. I post about energy drinks probably every week. So I wanted to try out these energy drinks too. Those are just some of the things that I got from Thrive Market. Can't wait for my family to try them out and just see if we want to order the same things again next month. We'll see. I'm gonna put these groceries away and try not to break any more nails. Let me know what snacks your kids like in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.